You and I, we can do music. If you take Amala begeli, Amala begeli, Amala begeli, Amala begeli. Trust me, when you get a good producer, it'll be a hit. Yes, my people, are you ready to jam? Kizz Daniel, Odo, yes sir. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yo, Charlie, this song, yeah, I won't lie. This is like the 70th time I'm listening to the song. Yeah, I've played this song over and over and over and over again. So, you know the right thing for us to do? You go take them back. Yes, you go take them back. I can't make I give some small volume for my speaker. Yeah. Are you ready to jam, my people? Are you ready to jam? Go. Let's get it. Ada. Come on, let's dance. Come. Dance. Hey. Hey. You see, this video, we just the jam. I don't go talk too much. I don't want to talk too much. Nah. I don't want to talk too much. Nah. I don't go talk. So, this your bestie. Wait. Let me check that one. Wait. Who's your bestie? Tiny bro, yeah. You don't want to find my trouble. Enter bathroom, fresh up. Shayna, you come through when your heart break. Okay, Shayna, me, you come through when your heart break. Heartbreak, Kosese heartbreak. Okay. I know she they understand what they go on for there. Me, I just did jam, bro. Twin, let's get it. Ay, ay, Kizz Daniel. This guy is a hit maker, bro. Kizz Daniel is a hit maker. You see what he do for Buga? This guy can easily come anytime. Anytime he pleases, he can just come into the system. Drop track, banger, then he go left. He go come again, banger, he go left. This guy doesn't need to drop an album. He doesn't have to. Single. Me if I be I no go do album. Yeah. But artist if I do album. Yeah. I don't know if it be law or what, but artist if I do album. Yeah. But me, 6 months. I come, I drop am, I go. I make more money, come back, another one, I go. Cause definitely there are more bangers. I mean, simple words, or do you, or do you, or do you, yeah, or do you. Simple. Beat, put on for top. In that, he finish. You go. They can't take money. You and I, we can do music. You can take, if you take Amala begeli, trust me, when you get a good producer, it'll be a hit. I mean, Portable is doing music. Yeah. You and I know that for some reason the music not to go on well, but he is still in the news. So you can do music, and I also can do music. God damn. Oh, there you. I'm out, yo.